Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and easy pattern. You can use this pattern in your chain sweater especially. See, it looks beautiful in your chain sweater. Wrong side looks like this. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast on multiples of 3. You can cast on any uneven number stitches, any odd number stitches. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 13 stitches on my needle. Now row 1 right side, purl all stitches, knit the first edge stitch through the back loop first and purl all stitches on the right side, purl all stitches, edge stitch, knit on the right side, row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch purl wise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Knit 1 and from this stitch we're gonna make 3 stitches. So first knit 1, purl 1 and knit 1, knit 1, purl 1 and knit 1. See, make 3 in 1, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. Knit 1 and make 3 in 1. Repeat that again. Knit 1, make 3 in 1, 1, 2 and 3. Knit 1, make 3 in 1, 1, 2 and 3. Knit 1, make 3 in 1, 1, 2 and 3. Knit 1, make 3 in 1, 1, 2 and 3. So we have done all repeats here, and your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, bring them in front and slip on the wrong side. Row 3. For row 3, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Purl 1 and these 3 stitches, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Knit 1 and knit 3. Sorry, purl 1 and knit 3. Again, purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. Purl 1 and knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. See, we have done all repeats. Your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Row 5, so row 4, this is the wrong side, sorry, this is the right side. On the right side, knit your edge stitch, and now row 4 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1 and purl 3 together, purl these 3 together, 1, 2 and 3, purl 3 together. That's the repeat. Knit 1 and purl 3 together. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 3 together, 1, 2 and 3. Knit 1, purl 3 together, knit 1, purl 3 together, knit 1, purl 3 together, and last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Row 5, for row 5 knit all stitches. Row 6 purl all stitches. Row 7 knit all stitches. Row 8 purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after a few repeats, your pattern looks like this. Also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.